Hello guys, in this video I am going to show how can you edit a photo like this to this. This is called Moody gold effect. So stay tuned in the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and comment down below that I subscribed and press the bell notification to never miss any update, and I am obviously reply to your comment. Let's get started. Okay guys, first take the photo that you want to edit. I'll take that photo. Then go to the light section. Take the contrast to 16. Then take the highlights to -83. Then take the shadows to 63. Then take the whites to -100. Then take the blacks to -18. Then go to the curve option and follow my steps. Okay, then press done and go to the color section. Take the temperature to +10. Then take the vibrance to 33. And take the saturation to -19. Then go to the mix option and take the saturation to -4. Then go to the orange, take the hue to -16 and take the saturation to -12 and take the luminance to 80. Then go to the yellow option, take the hue to -79. Then take the saturation to -84. Then take the luminance to -20. Okay, then go to green color. Take the hue to -72. And take the saturation to -85. Then take the luminance to -58. Then go to blue color, aqua color. Take the saturation to -79. Take the luminance to -20. Then go to blue color and take the hue to -56. take the saturation to -82. Then go to purple color, take the saturation to -100. Then go to the pink color and take the saturation to -100. Then press done. Then go to the effect option, take the clarity to 52. Then go to vibrance, sorry guys. Then go to vignette, and take it to -12. Then go to the midpoint and take it to 15. Then go to the feather and take it to 100. Then go to split tones. Now here you have to toning the photo. Go to highlights and take it to 183. Take the hue to 183. And take the saturation to 5. That's it. Then go to shadows and take the hue to 191. Take the saturation to 3. That's it. Now press done. Then go to detail option. Take the sharpening to 37. Then go to noise reduction and take it to 14. Then go to the contrast option and take it to 7. Then go to the color noise reduction option and take it to 9. Then go to the this option, press favorite, and go to the vintage option. Take the vintage 10 option and take it to 66. Take the limitation to 66. Okay, now press here. Now that's photo look pretty much good. Look at that. Before, after. Now I'm gonna do copy the settings and then paste the settings in here. Look like that looks so good. So guys, that is it for today guys. I hope you liked that video. Please like that video and comment below, and obviously subscribe my YouTube channel, and also comment down below that I subscribed. I will obviously reply your comment, and press the bell notification icon to never miss any update. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.